Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Saturday morning in Detroit, Michigan. It is, I don't want to say it, it feels like fall. The weather is definitely getting cooler. I woke up this morning, normal time, like 6:30, and it was dark outside. That was quite weird. What are we doing today? Well, we just went to a car show. That's what we really just did. But we are going to Triumph Detroit, because Triumph Detroit is no longer Triumph Detroit. They now have MV Agustas. That's right, that beautiful Italian brand that has a cool partnership with Mercedes and Lewis Hamilton and all of that. They are the only dealer in Michigan. I think they're obviously the only dealer in Detroit, but I also believe they're the only dealer in Michigan, which makes them very unique. There wasn't an MV Agusta dealer in Berlin when I was there, and I don't think I've actually ever been to a dealership with MV Agustas, so I'm really excited to go look at them. I want to see if they have a Dragster 800. If you don't know what that is, it is basically like an MT-09 on Italian steroids. Very classy, very expensive, but just stunning all the way around. I am on my way there right now, and if you guys want to go check out some Italian motorcycles with me, keep watching this video. See this orange Golf? This GTI is sick. Why is it orange? That was the year that the Volkswagen Group purchased Lamborghini. So that is Lamborghini orange on a GTI. And they only made I think it was 800 or 700 of them or something. So whenever I see them, I get real excited because my grandfather had a orange Diablo 6.0. Actually, now my brother now owns it. I don't know. Real cool. I like it. And good story, Joey. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. All right, let's get to the dealership. Look who it is.
But once you rev it,
go.
Ready?
Yeah. Triumph Thruxton TFC, number 102 of 750 in the US. So leaving Triumph MV Agusta Detroit right now, they had 4 or 5 MVs. Well, I guess they had 3 Brutales. They had a whatever the big multi-sport one, and then they had an F3 that was just stunning. So pretty. Came back to that one a lot. And I went on a test drive of the Triumph Speed Twin, the dual tone, the silver and the black. That was spectacular. That was such a great bike. There's gonna be a video on that is for sure. But that's it right now, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around, watching that full video, and it's kind of a little not normal video for the channel, but you got to celebrate dealerships around you when they have new bikes, when they are new partners for new companies, because ultimately it gives me something more to buy. I think that's it for right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there, ride safe, have a good weekend. You know, do you. Bye, guys.